Welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into life-changing motivation from top business leaders. We're talking about the giants, the legends, the ones who dared to dream bigger than anyone thought possible. What sets these leaders apart? What makes them tick? And most importantly, what can we learn from their journeys to transform our own lives? Get ready to be inspired and take your life to the next level. But before we jump in, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Also, please like and subscribe below. Thanks. Steve Jobs, the visionary behind Apple, once said, "The only way to do great work is to love what you do." Not just liking your work, but truly loving it. That passion fuels the long hours, the relentless pursuit of excellence, the unwavering belief in your vision. It's about finding that thing that makes you jump out of bed in the morning. Jobs' passion wasn't just about building computers, it was about changing the world, creating products that empowered people, made their lives easier, more connected. And that passion led to some of the most iconic and revolutionary products in history. Success leaves clues. One of the biggest clues to unlocking your potential is to tap into the power of passion. What are you passionate about? Find it, nurture it, and let it guide you on your journey to greatness. Oprah Winfrey's story is a testament to the power of overcoming adversity. From a childhood marked by poverty, she rose to become a global media icon and philanthropist. But her journey was far from easy. She faced countless challenges and setbacks. But Oprah refused to be defined by her circumstances. She harnessed resilience and belief in her potential to rise above her challenges. She didn't let her past dictate her future. She looked adversity in the eye and said, "You will not break me." Oprah's story reminds us that we all face challenges, but it's about how we choose to respond. Do we let them break us, or do we use them as fuel to propel us forward? Oprah chose to turn her pain into purpose, her struggles into strength. She used her platform to empower others and inspire millions. Remember, you have the power within you to overcome any obstacle and create an extraordinary life. Warren Buffett, investing in yourself, the ultimate asset. Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, is renowned for his investment strategies. But one of his most valuable lessons is about investing in yourself. Buffett famously said, "The best investment you can make is in yourself." Your knowledge, skills, and mindset are the tools that will empower you to create success. They are the foundation upon which you build your dreams. Investing in yourself means constantly seeking knowledge, expanding your skill set, and cultivating a growth mindset. It means attending seminars, reading books, taking courses, and surrounding yourself with mentors. It also means investing in your health and well-being. When you feel your best, you perform your best. The more you invest in yourself, the more valuable you become. So, make a commitment to invest in yourself every single day. Elon Musk, perseverance and innovation, launching into the future. Elon Musk, the visionary behind Tesla and SpaceX, has a simple message: never give up. Musk is known for setting seemingly impossible goals and pursuing them with determination. He's faced countless setbacks and naysayers. But Musk doesn't believe in easy. He believes in pushing the boundaries of what's possible. He understands that the path to greatness is rarely linear. It's filled with twists, turns, and moments of doubt. But through it all, he never loses sight of his goals. He embraces failure as a learning opportunity. What seemingly impossible goal are you going to pursue today? Remember, the only limit to what you can achieve is the limit you set for yourself. Embrace perseverance and launch yourself into a future filled with possibilities. Richard Branson, embracing risk and learning from failure. Richard Branson, the entrepreneur behind the Virgin Group, has built an empire by embracing risk. He's not afraid to fail and learn from his mistakes. Branson once said, "You don't learn to walk by following rules. You learn by doing and by falling over." How often do we let fear of failure hold us back from pursuing our dreams? Branson's message is clear. Get comfortable with being uncomfortable. Embrace the unknown. Step outside of your comfort zone and see what you're truly capable of achieving. Taking risks doesn't mean being reckless. It's about calculated risks, and it's about learning from your failures, using them as stepping stones to greater success. Remember, every successful entrepreneur has faced setbacks and failures. They used them as fuel to propel forward. Outro: unleash your potential. Thanks for watching. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more motivational content. Remember, the journeys of these incredible leaders are not just stories, they're roadmaps. They've shown us that success leaves clues, and by studying their paths, by internalizing their lessons, we empower ourselves to achieve extraordinary things. See you next time. For more information about how you can find success in business, please go to the description below. Thank you and have an awesome day.